Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I am so happy to see you again. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Mr. Chun. Mr. Chun is learning how to use his new computer to send an email and look at photos. I will speak very slowly. I will use very simple grammar. After the story, we will have a repeat after me section to practice your speaking. Are you ready to log in? Let's begin. Mr. Chun is 65 years old. He lives in a small house with a beautiful garden. He grows tomatoes, cucumbers, and flowers. He likes to spend time outside. He likes to read books. He likes to drink tea and listen to the radio. Mr. Chun worked as a carpenter for 40 years. He built furniture, tables, chairs, shelves. He used his hands. He did not need a computer. His job was about wood and nails and tools, not about screens and keyboards. 2 years ago, Mr. Chun retired. He stopped working. He had more free time. He enjoyed his garden. He visited his friends. He cooked dinner for himself. Life was slow and peaceful. But there was one thing that made Mr. Chun sad. His daughter, Lily, moved to another country. She lives very far away. She is a teacher. She is busy. They talk on the phone sometimes. But Mr. Chun wants to see her face. He wants to see his grandchildren. They are growing so fast. He sees pictures only when Lily mails them. The mail is slow. The pictures are small. Mr. Chun feels far away from his family. One day, Mr. Chun's neighbor, a young woman named Sophia, comes to visit. Sophia is 25. She works at a computer all day. She knows a lot about technology. Mr. Chun tells Sophia, "I want to see my daughter and my grandchildren, but they are far away. What can I do?" Sophia says, "Mr. Chun, you need a computer. You can send emails. You can see pictures. You can even do video calls. You can see your daughter's face while you talk to her." Mr. Chun says, "A computer? But I am old. I do not know how to use a computer. I am afraid I will break it." Sophia smiles. She says, "You cannot break a computer just by pressing buttons. I will help you. I will teach you, step by step. It is not hard. You just need to practice." Mr. Chun thinks for a moment. He wants to see his family. He says, "Okay, I will try." The next day, Sophia brings a computer to Mr. Chun's house. It is a laptop. A laptop is a computer that you can close and carry. It is not too big. It is silver and shiny. Sophia puts the laptop on Mr. Chun's dining table. Mr. Chun looks at the computer. He feels nervous. He sees the screen. He sees the keyboard with many letters and numbers. He sees a small touchpad. That is the mouse. He sees buttons and lights. It looks complicated. Sophia says, "Do not worry. We will start with the basics." First, Sophia shows Mr. Chun how to turn on the computer. She points to a small button on the side. "Press this button," she says. Mr. Chun presses the button. The screen lights up. Mr. Chun's eyes open wide. "It is alive," he says. Sophia laughs. "Yes, it is alive." The computer makes a small sound. Pictures and words appear on the screen. Sophia says, "This is called the desktop. It is like the top of your desk. You put things here. You open things from here." Mr. Chun looks at the screen. He sees small pictures. Sophia says, "These are called icons. Each icon opens a different program. This icon is for the internet. This icon is for email. This icon is for writing letters." Sophia points to the touchpad. She says, "This is how you move the arrow on the screen. Move your finger on this pad. Slowly." Mr. Chun puts his finger on the touchpad. He moves his finger. The arrow moves on the screen. Mr. Chun moves his finger up. The arrow goes up. He moves his finger down. The arrow goes down. He moves his finger left. The arrow goes left. He moves his finger right. The arrow goes right. Mr. Chun smiles. "I am moving it," he says. Sophia says, "Yes, you are doing great. Now, move the arrow to the email icon. Then press the touchpad once. That is called a click." Mr. Chun moves the arrow. It takes a few tries. The arrow goes too far. Then it goes too fast. Then it goes in the wrong direction. But finally, the arrow is on the email icon. Mr. Chun presses the touchpad. Click. A new window opens. The screen looks different now. There are boxes for writing messages. Sophia says, "This is your email. Here, you can read messages from people. And here, you can write new messages. Let me show you how to write an email to your daughter." Sophia helps Mr. Chun create an email address. An email address is like a digital home address. It tells the computer where to send your message. Mr. Chun chooses a simple name, chun.garden@gmail.com. He writes a password. He writes it on a piece of paper so he does not forget. Then Sophia shows Mr. Chun how to write an email. "Click the button that says Compose," she says. Mr. Chun clicks. A blank message appears. There is a box for the address. There is a box for the subject. There is a big box for the message. Sophia says, "First, type your daughter's email address here." Mr. Chun types slowly. He uses one finger. He looks at the keyboard. He searches for each letter. It takes a long time, but he does it. Then Sophia says, "Type a subject. That is like a title for your message." Mr. Chun types, "Hello from Dad." Then Sophia says, "Now write your message. Tell her how you are. Ask her how she is. Write from your heart." Mr. Chun thinks. He types slowly, one word at a time. "Dear Lily, I am learning to use a computer. It is hard but fun. Sophia is helping me. I miss you. I want to see you. Please send pictures of the children. Love, Dad." Mr. Chun looks at the screen. He wrote an email. His first email. He feels proud. Sophia says, "Now press the send button." Mr. Chun presses send. The message disappears. It is gone. Mr. Chun says, "Where did it go?" Sophia says, "It is flying through the internet to your daughter. She will get it in a few seconds." Mr. Chun is amazed. A few seconds? Not days. Not weeks. Just seconds? He shakes his head. Technology is magic. The next day, Mr. Chun opens his email. There is a new message. From Lily. His heart beats fast. He clicks on the message. He reads, "Dad, I am so happy you wrote to me. I am proud of you for learning the computer. I am sending pictures of the children right now. Love, Lily." Mr. Chun scrolls down. There are pictures. Colorful pictures. His grandchildren are smiling. One is holding a birthday cake. One is riding a bicycle. One is wearing a funny hat. Mr. Chun looks at the pictures for a long time. His eyes feel wet. Happy tears. He can see his family. He does not have to wait for the mail. He can see them right now. Mr. Chun learns to do more things on the computer. Sophia shows him how to search the internet. He types "how to grow bigger tomatoes" into a search box. Thousands of answers appear. He reads articles. He watches videos. He learns new tips for his garden. Sophia also shows him how to do a video call. A video call is like a phone call, but you can see the person's face. Mr. Chun calls Lily. The screen shows Lily's face. She waves. She says, "Hi, Dad." Then the grandchildren come to the screen. They say, "Grandpa, we miss you." Mr. Chun waves back. He smiles. He laughs. He cries a little. It is the best day. Now, Mr. Chun uses the computer every day. He checks his email. He looks at pictures. He watches garden videos. He does video calls with his family. He is not scared anymore. He is not confused anymore. He is still slow. He still uses one finger to type. But that is okay. He is learning. He is trying. And he is connected to the people he loves. Mr. Chun learns something important. It is never too late to learn something new. You can be 65. You can be 70. You can be 80. You can still learn. You just need someone to help you. You just need to be patient with yourself. You just need to try. The computer is not scary. It is a tool. It is a window to the world. And anyone can learn to use it. One step at a time. One click at a time. One letter at a time. Now, let us practice speaking. I will say a short sentence. Then you will repeat the sentence. There will be a pause. Use the pause to speak. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Do not rush. Remember, every time you speak, you get a little better. Ready? Let us begin. He worked as a carpenter for 40 years. His daughter Lily lives in another country. Sophia brings a laptop to Mr. Chen's house. Sophia shows him how to turn on the computer. She shows him the desktop and icons. She shows him how to use the touchpad. He learns to move the arrow on the screen. He creates an email address. He writes his first email to Lily. The next day, he receives a reply. Lily sends pictures of the children. Sophia shows him how to search the internet. Now, he uses the computer every day. He learns that it is never too late to learn. Anyone can learn, one step at a time. Excellent. You did a fantastic job. Your speaking is getting better every day. I am very proud of you. Now, I will tell you the key parts of the story again. But this time, I will speak a little faster. Not very fast, just more natural. Do not repeat. Just listen. Listen to how the words connect. Listen to the rhythm. This will help your ear understand real English. Here we go. Mr. Chun is 65 years old. He worked as a carpenter for 40 years. Now he is retired. His daughter Lily lives in another country. He wants to see her and his grandchildren. His neighbor Sophia helps him. She brings a laptop to his house. Mr. Chun is nervous. Sophia shows him how to turn on the computer and use the touchpad. He learns to move the arrow and click. He creates an email address. He writes his first email to Lily and sends it. The next day, Lily replies with pictures of the children. Mr. Chun feels happy. Sophia also shows him how to search the internet. He learns about gardening. Then she shows him how to do a video call. He sees Lily and the grandchildren on the screen. Now, Mr. Chun uses the computer every day. He is not scared anymore. He learns that it is never too late to learn something new. Anyone can learn, one step at a time. Did you hear the difference? The words are the same, but the speed is a little faster. That is how people speak in real life. Do not worry if you did not catch every word. Listen again. Play this part 2 or 3 times. Your ears will learn. You did a great job today. Technology can be tricky, but learning the English words for it makes it much easier. You are building your vocabulary one click at a time. Thank you for practicing with me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video. It helps my channel reach more students like you. Share this with a friend who is also learning about computers. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can join me for our next English story. Now, I have a question for you. What do you use your computer for? Do you use it for work, for games, or to watch videos? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one. Keep practicing, stay curious, and keep learning. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.